Hey everybody, it's Meka from Yes Please Planning. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Planner Society kit. I have all 4 subscription kits here, and this is for March 2018. So this is what comes in the main kit. If you're new to the Planner Society, these items somewhat change month to month. What's generally there all the time is a set of papers and a few stickers, which will begin here, and I'll show you those. Die cuts are usually inside, or I think always inside. A pen is always inside, and a roll of washi. Those things are pretty much always there, and then some of the other items are changed out every month or so just to add some variety. So I will open up all of these things and come back and give you a closer look. This month's theme is swans and of course floral. I'm loving this decal here. It's, I think you can see there's sort of these pearlescent drops, and it's adhesive, so you can apply it to, you don't need to cut it out. I of course would cut out the backing and just use some removable tape on the back so that I could reuse it, but if you were brave enough to apply it directly onto your planner, you could do that. So you would just carefully, from my experience with this kind of applique where there's a bunch of beads and adhesive, you've got to be really careful when you peel this apart, because sometimes they break apart. I'm just assuming that this would be similar. So you could use this again on a notebook cover. You could use it of course in the planner layout. You could apply it directly to one of your planners if you were brave enough to do that. You could put it on a bookmark so that you could reuse it many times. So lots of different options for that. The swan theme continues with this beautiful sticky notepad. You could even, I think it would be kind of big. I was thinking, so I don't know, I think this was February 2017 that this swan paperclip came in here. I was thinking you could do something like that, but this would be pretty large for that. But I suppose you could still do it. I think I'm going to try, because you would just need to put some cardstock back here to make it firm. I think I might try that out just as a fun little project. So here are the die cuts, and oh, that's good. Some are the smaller ones. Or you could use this for a paper clip. And then some are much larger, so you've got this, oh gosh, gorgeous. If you're not subscribed to the Planner Society, you are lucky, because this month the Planner Society has put on their Etsy page digital downloads of icons and papers that coordinate with all of these. Some are, I think they're not exactly the same, but very similar, so you can make your own die cuts and stickers using the same type of imagery and colors. I always love some good adhesive pockets, and if I end up setting up a new planner, I will want some, or a new on-the-go planner, I will want some adhesive pockets for my credit cards. And so, oh, it doesn't fit in here, so I wonder if I could do something like that. My wheels are spinning. I'm going to figure out how I could use a credit card or store card inside these. So you've got, 4 here. This one is gorgeous, my favorite. Let's see, you've got these bookmark toppers in gold, and then the matching florals and swans. So these are really easy to use. You just need some cardstock, even acetate. Like this is one that I did, I think with the January kit. I just used acetate and applied some adhesive strip onto the back of the topper. You could cut it to the same width, you could make it a shorter height. It's so many different possibilities, but these are just fun tabs that would stick out from the pages to help you find your spot better. Here's the washi. So in love with this. I don't know if any of you did. You probably did. Go to Michael's and buy that swan washi. You may have skipped it before, but thought, oh, I'm going to get it now since I have this kit. That's what I did. I'm taking it back though because this washi is beautiful on its own. I don't need anything else to try to coordinate with it. Confidence has no... Oh, I love this. I need a blown up version of this. You are loved. Hustle and heart will set you apart. One day or day one. You decide. Stop wishing, start doing. Kindness changes everything. Okay. Then we have the stickers. These are my favorite. I love, and I even do doodles like this in my planner. Just putting some little scallops around the box and then putting a little icon in the corner. So these are perfect. Oh, look at these little checklists. There are 7 little boxes here. That's so cute. Oh gosh, I love these. And there's more here. And then these are purely decorative. I am so in love with this kit. We have some tabs here. These are good if you like to label your dividers or your dashboards. For function, I actually like, I've noticed that I tend to like one color for every single tab. So either I'm going to punch some tabs out from paper, or I'm going to go and download one of the papers from the digital kit and make them all the same. Because even though these are all beautiful, for function, my eye likes to see all the same color when it comes to tabs and labeling things. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, I love these. Oh, they are they're a fabric material. They're soft. Cute, cute, cute. The pen. I did try this pen out already. It's so it's not a ballpoint. I think this would be considered a roller ball from the way that it writes. It's almost like a gel pen. This is not a traveler's notebook. It's an embellishment holder or sticker holder, so you can put some of the smaller, I don't think these fit. Oh, they do fit. So you can put the sticker sheets in here or smaller items. They call it embellishment kits because other little things that you use to embellish your pages can fit in here. You could also transform this by taking, I'm not sure how, but I know it's doable. You could take out these screw thingies and make this into a pocket notebook or a pocket TN, traveler's notebook. So here's the pocket, the Planner Society's pocket insert, and it's pretty much the same. Like, it can fit, you just have to make sure that you put your holes fairly close to the top and bottom, and it just be a kind of a tight fit, but you could do that. If I was to do something like this for a wallet, I'm not sure. So these, something like this can fit in here. I would have to maybe use a fuse tool to separate these pages. I'm not sure how that would work. I should have led with these beautiful papers. So this one is a vellum. It's gorgeous. and I'll show you the other specialty papers. Here's another vellum. And you have an acetate. So you had the suitcases and the typewriter for the vellum, and this acetate is the swan. I would probably want just a solid pink or something really not busy. Maybe something like that, even just a plain white paper underneath this. Because anything that's too busy takes away from the actual pattern. You can't really see the swans. So, I wonder what this would look like. Nah, I'd want a light colored solid paper under here. Love this color scheme here. Love these florals. These swans. Love it. And again, they're not all the exact same, but if you go onto, I will link it below, the Planner Society's Etsy shop, you'll be able to find patterns and colors that coordinate with all of this. So you can have this same kit at home, or you can build upon it if you already have the kit. So the way the Planner Society works is you sign up for a 3-month subscription and you get charged every month for the main subscription. But you can also sign up for the auxiliary subscriptions. So you have a sticker society kit, a box sticker society kit, and a washi society kit. The box sticker society kit is basically made for those who use column-based planning or box-based planning, and usually that would be like a vertical planner layout. So these are for the most part sized for Erin Condren Happy Planners and then other planners that have boxes of the same width. You don't need a box layout in order to take advantage of this. I will very frequently use my paper punches to punch holes or excuse me, circles or hearts or other shapes, or just cut out a strip. So it just gives you some extra stickers to play with. How awesome. I didn't notice this before. They changed the font this time. I love how playful and simple this font is. I love these. That is the most adorable little bug ever. I love. Love all of the florals this month. I'm not normally a purple lover, but these are really sweet for springtime, and these swans I am definitely in love with. So this is the Box Sticker Society kit. This is the Sticker Society kit, and it's made for, the width is pretty much made for column, the same box sizes, column width, but you can of course use it for other planners. These are good, I think, for personal and pocket size because they're so small. For the Sticker Society, these shapes and labels, they're pretty much consistent every month. It just, the only thing that changes is the design, meaning the colors and the things like that to match the current kit. So this is this month's Washi Society kit. First of all, I am in love with this pink swan design here. I have to reuse this bag. It is so pretty. Okay, so here is the washi. Super pretty. And again, you can always subscribe to just the washi kit and not even have to subscribe to the other kits. I think this is my favorite part of my unboxings. I love to look at my different planners and decide which one would be the best fit to use with this kit. I'm not sure what I want to do with this kit yet. I'll see what inspires me, but let's take a look at these planners and see which one works best. I will start with this one. This was my first thought. It's a personal size pink floral planner with pink and black and white interior. This is an actual Planner Society exclusive that I got, I think it was a gift from Christy Tomlinson, the creator of the Planner Society, that she gave all of us at the Planner Society crop last October. So I'm considering this one. Let me move these out of the way. I have yet to actually set this one up, so I think now would be a good time. It's got the pink and the sort of gray and black. It's a different shade of pink, so that's kind of throwing me off a bit. But this makes me feel like this would be a good setup. And then the interior, I think this could work. I don't always use my TPS kits with TPS binders, so it would be nice to finally do that. So that is a maybe. I've been really wanting to set up this pocket TN. This is from Mommy Lay, and it's so pretty. I love this black and white polka dot interior, and so I feel like if I wanted to go a little bit with a lighter feel, I could use the things that are black with white background as like my dividers or my dashboards, with pops of color on here. So that is a maybe. It's obviously not a strong match for, like, the colors are somewhat matching, but they're different tones and different floral style, but it's still a maybe. So that's option 2. This is my white personal size Color Crush, and it's just got a white with gold interior. It's classic. It pretty much goes with anything. Definitely that white would look nice. Then I have this. If you're following me on Instagram, you saw that I grabbed this Agenda 52 personal size planner from Hobby Lobby, and I've been wanting to take it apart and turn it into a B6 TN. I've never done that before, but it's been on my project list, so that is a maybe. Not a perfect match for the type of floral or the type of artwork, but it's got purples and some, aquas in there and the pink, so that's a maybe. I think I could swing that. Last option is a B6 TN. This was my TN from last year. It was a DIY. It's kind of tattered and dirty at this point, so I would make another one. I saw a DIY where you can use, in the Planner Society Facebook group, she showed how to use this same material. I don't know if you saw my A6 DIY where I showed you how to make this. Well, she used this material on one side and then paper on the other side, so it was basically like a floral TN. So that is something I've been wanting to try, so I may go that route. So many options. So you let me know, what do you think I should do? The DIY B6 TN, a B6 personal size planner hack, personal size ring bound setup in the white Color Crush, Mommy Lay pocket size, so adorable, or the Planner Society personal sized pink floral binder. Let me know which one you think I should do. That's it, friends. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. If you've got a little bit more time, I'd love to hear your thoughts on which planner I should use with this. If I should just do a whole DIY setup, I know you guys like those, or anything else you'd like to see. And as always, come and say hi on Instagram at Yes Please Planning. Bye-bye.